Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Divakar Ticunarkar. I am a senior lecturer of this college, Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today, I start our experiment, that is basic science. And in the basic science, I start the experiment of basic physics. So, in this basic physics, we have to perform 12 experiments in basic physics. This 12 experiment is well known or we have to complete for 300 marks because each experiment consists of 12 marks. Each experiment consists of 25 marks. Keep in your mind. So, our first experiment, vernier caliper. Student, this vernier caliper is the name of instrument. So, in our first experiment, our aim, our title, determine the dimension of given object by using vernier caliper. A resource that is also known as instrument or apparatus. Number one, vernier caliper, hollow cylinder, wooden block, etc. But in this experiment, we have to use only vernier caliper and hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, it means that pipe. So, student, when we have to start our experiment, we have to calculate the least count of vernier caliper because this vernier caliper is an instrument, and when we have to use this instrument, first we have to calculate the least count of that instrument. So, formula for least count of vernier caliper m upon n. Here m is the smallest division on MSR. Smallest division on MSR, that is m, and n total number of division on vernier scale. Total number of division on vernier scale. So least count 0.1 upon 10 because this is the instrument. This is also known as vernier caliper. This is main scale. This is the main scale, keeping your mind. And this is vernier scale. In the vernier scale, there is only 10 lines in upper and lower division. Upper and lower side, only 10 lines. That is also known as 10 division or 10 lines. So this is vernier caliper. This vernier caliper, this is the main scale, and the range of main scale is 12.5 centimeter. Here, this is the measuring tip or jaw. This is jaw, but this is the upper jaw and this is lower jaw. When we have to calculate or we have to determine the dimension of that given object, we have to keep this object in between both jaw. Keep in your mind. So this is fixed jaw. This is the screw. This screw, the function of the screw is to fix the jaw, to fix the object in the jaw. So this is the jaw, और उसको अपन जबड़ा बोलेंगे. इसमें अपन कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट रख सकते हैं और उसको फिक्स करने के लिए ये स्क्रू रखा गया है. दिस वर्नियर कैलिपर, दिस इज द vernier caliper goes from one place to another place. So student, the main scale of this reading. So main scale means smallest division on the main scale. Suppose we have to consider the 0 and this one line. So distance between two lines, these two lines is 1 mm or 0.1 centimeter, and total number of division on this vernier scale is 10. So This is 10 lines, so 0.1 upon 10, keeping your mind. And therefore, we can calculate least count of the vernier caliper 0.01 centimeter. This is the important for you. Generally, question arises on this particular topic. Least count of vernier caliper. So, this is the least count of vernier caliper, keeping your mind. When you have to learn up to PG, that is B, Bachelor of Engineering, Master of Engineering, and so on. So, you have to remember in your mind the least count of vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Now, we have to calculate. This is the vernier caliper separately. Here is we have to calculate zero error, negative error, and positive error. So error denoted by Z. Suppose we have to consider this is the main scale and this is the vernier scale. But this is the main scale, first line, suppose, and this is the vernier scale. Here is 10 division or 10 lines. So vernier scale, when these two jaws or two scale, vernier scale and this main scale fix to each other in both jaws, at that time this vernier scale line goes on right side. So at that time there is positive error, keeping your mind. When two jaws, lower jaws, completely fixed to each other विदाउट एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, कीपिंग योर माइंड, कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं रखना है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं रखने का है दोनों जॉ के बीच में, तो उसको यदि फिक्स करते हैं एक दूसरे के ऊपर, एंड एट दैट टाइम द वर्नियर स्केल लाइन goes on in right side. So at that time there is positive error. Listen here, suppose this is the main scale and this is the vernier scale. Here is, this is the zero first line goes on right side of this main scale. So here, and so our reading 3.3, this is completely 3 and 1, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So this is main scale reading, and these 10 lines, out of these 10 lines, one line is parallel to this main scale line. So this is 4 lines. Suppose consider 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 numbers lines is completely parallel to the main scale line. So this is 4, and 4 into LC, that is 0.04. So our positive, this is the reading, and our error is 0.04. Then we get, this is our positive error, keeping your mind. Then negative error, suppose this vernier line, when we have to fix both jaws completely, both jaws fixed with each other, at that time vernier scale line goes on left side. At that time there is negative error. For example, suppose we have to consider this is the vernier scale is in now is in left side of this main scale. Suppose this is the vernier scale is in left side, and this is 4 line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 into 0.01, that is 0.04. So this is the negative error, because this vernier line goes on negative and this line goes on positive, keeping your mind. And if both lines, vernier first line and main scale first line, which are parallel to each other, so there is no error, keeping your mind. So now I'm going to start our experiment. So first, identify each part of the instrument, find the least count, then find the zero error, error denoted by Z. Keeping your mind, hold the given object in the appropriate jaw depending upon the parameters to the measure. Observe the zero error, zero of the vernier scale, and take main scale reading. Check the division of the vernier scale, coinciding. This is the parallel position also known as coinciding. Both lines, vernier scale's first line and main scale first line, which are coinciding or which are parallel to each other, so also called as coinciding line. Both are coinciding, there is no error, keeping your mind. Vernier scale line and main scale line, first line. So both lines are parallel to each other. There is coinciding line. There is no error, keeping your mind. Find the vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading, we have to find out the VSD, vernier scale division. जिसमें 10 लाइन है, 10 डिवीजन है, उसको बोलते हैं डिवीजन. बिकॉज देर इज नो यूनिट्स, उसमें यूनिट नहीं है करके उसको ओनली लाइन बोलते हैं. Calculate the total reading using the formula. Total reading equal to MSR plus VSR. Calculate the correct reading. So now this is the hollow cylinder and we will take reading. This is hollow cylinder in the sense of it means that both end, this end and this end is open and therefore we call it hollow cylinder or pipe. And this is the outer diameter. This is the outer diameter. I will take outer diameter and this is the inner diameter. So student, first here is observation, value of smallest division on the main scale 1 mm, that is 0.1 centimeter. Total number of division on the vernier scale, that is n equal to 10. Then least count m upon n, that is 1 upon 10 equal to 0.01 centimeter. Zero error, coinciding vernier with the main scale, this is 0, and zero error Z equal to 0, because in the vernier caliper there is no error. This is the wooden block, ठोकड़ा जिसको बोलते हैं वुडन ब्लॉक, स्क्वायर में रहेगा, उसका भी अपने को डायमेंशन लेना पड़ता है. लेकिन इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट वी हैव टू यूज ओनली हेलो पाइप का ही आपको यूज करने का है और उसके ही तीन रीडिंग आपको लेना है. सो स्टूडेंट, मैंने जो आपको बताया है रीडिंग कैसा लेने का, ये रीडिंग इस तरीके से आपको लेने का है. तो सपोज यू हैव टू कंसिडर MSR रीडिंग, हेलो सिलेंडर का इनर डायमीटर आपने लिया है 2.9, 2.9, 2.8. देन कोइंसाइडिंग रीडिंग मतलब पैरेलल पोजीशन में जो रीडिंग आया है वो 376 आया है. एट ए टाइम ये दो रीडिंग आपको लेने का है. दो रीडिंग लेने के बाद आपको ये कैलकुलेशन करने का है VSR का VSD इंटू LC. सो VSD है 3, LC है तो आपको 0.01. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस and we get 0.03. टोटल रीडिंग आया है, यही टोटल रीडिंग ये है तुम्हारा VSR और ये MSR प्लस VSR करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 2.93. दिस रीडिंग एंड दिस रीडिंग मर्ज विथ ईच अदर और एडिशन विथ ईच अदर टू गेट 2.93. देन करेक्टेड रीडिंग 2.93 because this is total reading plus Z, but our value of Z is 0 and therefore और आंसर इज 2.9 सेंटीमीटर. इधर 2.9 आया है, दूसरा रीडिंग 2.97 आया है, तीसरा रीडिंग 2.86 आया है. तो और एवरेज हो गया है, मीन हो गया है 2.92 सेंटीमीटर. देन दिस इज आउटर डायमीटर. अपन ने जो एक्सपेरिमेंट में आउटर डायमीटर का एक रीडिंग लेके दिया हूँ मैंने आपको, वही इस प्रकार अपन रीडिंग ले सकते हैं. सो ऐसे ही 3 रीडिंग लेने का है, फिर 3 रीडिंग लेके उसका टोटल रीडिंग, देन करेक्टेड रीडिंग, यू गेट 3.27 सेंटीमीटर. एंड हेलो सिलेंडर का उसका हाइट भी लेने का है, लेंथ लेने का है. सो वी गेट 8.67 सेंटीमीटर. और रिजल्ट Average inner diameter of the hollow cylinder D1 there is 2.92 centimeter, and average outer diameter of hollow cylinder D2 3.27. Average height H equal to 8.67. Then we take precaution when we have to start the experiment or complete the experiment. Which precaution we will take? So first precaution, the jaw of vernier caliper should not be pressed hard while taking the reading. The jaw of vernier caliper should not be pressed. आपको जॉ को प्रेस करना नहीं है, आराम से एक दूसरे के ऊपर टच करने का है. टच करने के बाद स्क्रू को टाइट कर दो. So this is our very easily process. We will take very easy process, and this is our first precaution. Second, the division of vernier scale exactly coinciding with the main scale should be noted down accurately. Main scale का first line and vernier scale का first line, both lines are parallel to each other, that is coinciding line. So this line's reading take accurately. This is our second precaution. And parallax should be removed. Parallax means there is error should be removed. So this is the precaution. So student, in this way we have to complete this experiment for 25 marks. So student, today I will stop here. Any doubt, any query, any problem, you ask me. Thank you very much.